Yes, hello and welcome back. So this is what we have now. So one other thing that I need to also do is to arrange this from winter 2023 to 2025. And to do that, so I'm going to click on this on the x-axis and press Ctrl 1. Remember, Ctrl 1, as I always mention, it is very, very important. So let's see. Okay, no. Okay, so we have that it has reversed it, from 2023, 24, and 25. So this is what I want, and that is fine. Then the last thing that we are going to be doing is to build something like this. So I'm going to come here, then I'm going to drag this so that it is going to duplicate that for me. Then I'll extend this guy here. Good. Then after that, so that it pops out. Okay, good. So first thing is, okay, let's look at our pivot table. Do we need this season? We don't need it, but we still need the count of origin. Okay, we don't need the count of origin as well. We need the popularity score, and I think that is average. Average, AVG or popularity score. Good. Then I need the items. Okay, so this is the items and all like that. So I'm going to come back to design, chart, then pick a column chart. Okay, good. So is that what we have on the dashboard? So let's look at it. We have count of food, we have um sum of price, then average of popularity score. So this is a combo chart that we have here. This is a combo chart, I believe. If I come to chart type, so you can see that is a combo chart, but the line is the one that is the secondary axis. Count of food, sum of price. Good. So let's come back here. So we need to have the items first. We have count of food. So we can pick any of these, at least to count the food, the price, and the popularity score. Then I'll come back to chart type, come to combo chart. Then this is going to be uh, the secondary axis. Okay, good. So this is what we have. Then I'm going to be extending this, so that all the food items are going to pop out. They are now popping out. Okay, yeah, they pop out now. This is what I want. Okay, so I think what is left for us to do now is to format. So the formatting now depends on individual skills. How skillful are you in order to make everything look better? But there are some rules which we need to observe when we are building. Make it plain, make it simple. Don't make it too complicated. But before we proceed, let me copy this title. Control A, Control C. Then I'll come here, Control A, Control V, in order to paste it here. So let me see. Do we have something similar? Um, okay, I think it is arranged from the highest to the lowest according to the total food, the count of food. Okay, so let me release this first. I'm going to click on one of these bars, then click on this to activate the data label. Good. Now, in order to arrange it in a way that it is going to be looking, okay, let me activate the legend also. The legend, and it has to be at the bottom. Okay, then I'm going to extend this. Good. I will extend it the more. I want it to pop out. Okay, good. So I can click on this, reduce it a little bit or even drag it up. Okay, so that my legend will pop out. So what I want to do now is to arrange this in the order of the total price, which is the count of type. So what I'm going to do is to come here. I can come to item, then more sort option, descending order, count of type. Okay, good. So you can see that it's going to arrange it you know, in descending order with respect to the count of type, which is the total food anyway. So now our formatting starts. Firstly is that, okay, this number is okay. This is two decimal places. Do we need that? Or we need just one decimal place? Ah, okay, here, there is no even decimal place at all. Okay. Okay, so firstly, this line chart, I'm going to click on the label on the line chart. Then I'm going to click on Control 1, come to number here. Then I'm going to click on number, then make it, let's say 0. So we can see the average popularity score, or we can even make it 1 so that we'll see the actual number. Then after that, come back here, label options, then click on above so that the numbers will be above. Then for this orange column bar, I'm going to click on the data label on it, then Control 1. I don't want any decimal place number, then this is going to be 0. Good. Then I want the number to be in between, in the middle, so come to center. Good, we are having it here. Is that what we have here? I think that's the same. Is in the middle. Then it is essentially a currency, not even ordinary number. So I'll click on currency, then I can pick dollars here. So just pick dollars, that is fine. You can see that it is popping out well now. Then another thing that you can also do, click on this bar, Control 1 also. Then I can reduce this, let's say 50, so that it's going to increase the width essentially. So I think that is nice. So what is left now is for us to start formatting. Okay, before we go, we need to also include these slicers, these two slicers that we have here. One is on season and the other one is on type. So I'll come back here. I can pick any of this pivot chart, then click on pivot chart analyze, click on insert slicer. Then when you have slicer, then you're going to click on season and type. Okay, good. So this is what we have. You have type here, then we have season. Good. For type, I'm going to reduce this. Then the column have to be 2. We are still going to format all these better. So, but let's still put these guys here. Okay. Then for season, we'll make it 3 as well. I think I don't need this other guy here. So this is fine. Just extend it a little bit so that it pops. Yeah, I want to see all the numbers. Good. Okay, cool. So what else? I think we've inserted our slicers. Then we have all these. I think we are fine. So one other thing, let me check the time. One other thing that I also want to do is I want this to be transparent. So I'm going to click on this, then come to format, shape fill. I'll click on no fill so that it's going to be transparent. Click on this, no fill. Click on this, no fill. Good. Essentially, I think this should be just one decimal place. So I can click on Control 1 and reduce it to just one decimal place. 1. Good. And that is fine. Then I can also increase the font. Okay. Then click on it again, then drag it a little bit. Good. So also you can see that there is a border line here. I can also remove that. Just click at the edge, come to format, here no fill, here no fill, here no fill. Good. So that is fine. Like there's something here. These guys. Okay. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do is to arrange everything accordingly. So I'm going to be, firstly, I'm going to insert a particular shape. Let's go back to our dashboard. So this shape behind, so we need to also insert it. So insert it manually. So come to insert, come to shape, then the rounded corner shape. So I'll bring that guy here. Yes. So come to shape outline, no outline, no outline, shape fill, no fill. I think it should be there should be outline. Okay, so essentially what we have is a shadow. Shadow is like this, but the inner I think is white. Yes, it is white. It's essentially white. Then I'm going to take this to the back, click on it, come to send to back. Good. So that is going to be laying behind this guy here. Don't forget that this 150 is actually a column chart, so you have to design it in a way that the chart is not going to be showing at all. So I'm going to increase this guy a little bit. Okay, good. You can see that it's popping out for me the way I want it now. Then I can copy the rectangle behind, drag it here, drag it 2 times, even drag it the 3rd time. Okay, good. So this other one, then I'm going to come to here, come to back, send to back. So I also want it to lay above this. Then the 3rd one, send to back. Good, good. Then we also have this. Let's check the time. Oh, the time is fast spent. So we are going to stop this video now. Then the last video, the next video will be the last one, in order for us to just do all the necessary formatting, and that will be all. Thank you.